What's up guys, it's this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a message decoder and encoder. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to write is message space equal to space input, open and close the parentheses. Inside of those you want to put two sets of quotes and you want to write enter. A message to encode or decode. We're going to put a colon and let's move on to the next line. So message space equal to space message dot upper open close parentheses, leave it with no value inside. And now we're gonna do the part where it flips the the letters, so it so if I write hello, it would switch to MQQB. You'll see in the end how it looks. So key space equal to eval open close parentheses input, another set of parentheses open and closed, and inside of that you want to write enter. A key value from 1 to 26 colon space, and there we go. Now we're gonna write the code for the output. So output space equal to open close quotes, put a space in them so the output can be displayed. Now we're gonna do our for loop. So for letter in message okay, so now we're gonna do an if statement. So if letter dot I supper open close parentheses colon. Now we're gonna do the value of the letter, so when it displays it can show in a different way. So now let's do the value space equal to ord open close parentheses letter plus key. So when we add the message and then we reorder the letters, not reorder, replace them with the key. So if I put 1, so A would be a B, and yeah. So I'm just shifting the letters. So now let's do letter space equal to space chr open close parentheses value. Okay, now we're gonna do if not letter dot I supper open close parentheses colon, hit enter. Make sure you have indented the way I've indented, because you don't want any indentation issues. So the V in value would pass the L, so just pointing that out. So value minus equal to 26. Now, let's do letter space equal to space CHR open close parentheses value. Now let's do our output. So make sure you have indented all the way back to the first if statement we did. So output space plus equal to space letter. We're gonna hit enter, go all the way back to our for loop where the for loop started. We're gonna do print open close parentheses double sets of quotes output space message colon space. We're going to do a comma and then do output. Okay, now we can hit run and it's going to ask us to save it somewhere. So I'm going to save it in my desktop in my folder of Python projects, and I'm going to call it encoder and decoder. Okay, now it's going to ask us to enter a message to encode or decode, so I'm going to write this guy 1 to 26 4. Now it's going to output this. So you can basically send this to your friends, and yeah, so now if we run it again, we restart it and we run it again, let's paste that message back in, and we can so basically subtract 26 4 from 20 or whatever, just subtract 4 from 26, so that would be 22. And enter that in. What? Okay, so let's do that again. Let's subtract 22, hit enter, and now it's gonna output this guy. Okay, so you can basically send this to your friends, and possibly if they have this code written down, you can send them what value you need to enter in so they can see the secret message you did. So yeah, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Let's see if this one worked. Okay, let's hit enter. And we did 3, 26 minus 3, 23. Oh, whoops. Make sure, oh no. Okay, now let's decode it. 23, hit enter. So, yeah. Please share this video and just basically do what this says. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Catch you guys in the next video.